future is bright at the home of the Beat Diggers. The Canyons Board of Education is investing $23.2 million in upgrades, additions, security measures, and facility improvements at Jordan High. The projects, which also include auditorium renovations, a concession stand, a security vestibule, parking lot improvements, and restroom upgrades, all are expected to be done by spring of 2026.
When we've been able to show students like the renderings we see tonight, here's what they have to look forward to in the future with new performing arts spaces, new athletic spaces. Their eyes just get real big.
What's most exciting and interesting that we're bringing into the school with the addition is bringing a new life and warmth to the interiors, kind of creating this new atmosphere for the Beat Digger students.
I'm most excited about is probably the field house. An indoor practice facility, give the athletes a chance to work out and to train all year long. In the state-of-the-art facility, I'm pretty excited to see how that fares.
What is most exciting about this project is really build on the legacy of Jordan High. Like Brian, I'm actually a native of the area, and so the history and culture of Jordan High is really fantastic.